Hello guys, if you want to run an RPO or run pass option in College Football 27, it's actually very simple once you know how it works. First, you'll need to select an RPO play. You can find them by going to concepts, then options, and finally selecting the RPO peak category. From there, choose any RPO peak play you want to run. An RPO gives you two options after the snap. You can either hand the ball off to your running back or throw a quick pass. You only have about 2 to 3 seconds to make your decision, so you need to react quickly. If you want to run the ball, just snap it and don't press any receiver buttons. The game will automatically hand the ball off to your running back and you can continue to play as normal. If you want to pass instead, snap the ball, quickly read the defense and press the button for the receiver you want to throw to before the handoff happens. The key to running an RPO successfully is reading the linebacker. If the linebacker moves toward the running back or steps up to stop the run, that's usually your cue to throw the ball because your receiver will often have more space. If the linebacker stays back in coverage instead of attacking the run, it's usually better to let the handoff happen and run the football. So every time you run an RPO, don't decide before the snap. Watch what the linebacker does, make your read quickly, and choose the option that gives you the best chance to gain yards. That's all there is to it. Once you practice it a few times, making the right read becomes much easier and you'll be able to use RPO plays much more effectively in College Football 27. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.